Ever feel like you're stuck on a hamster wheel, trading hours for dollars? What if I told you there's a new way to create a passive income stream, a way to sell something once and profit from it over and over again? Forget dropshipping, forget complicated funnels. I'm talking about selling AI automations on Gumroad. This is a business model that's so simple, so powerful, and so ridiculously profitable, it feels like a cheat code for making money online. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step. Hey everyone, welcome to the Digital Profit Hacks channel, where we uncover the most effective strategies to build real lasting wealth online. If you're ready to stop just watching and start doing, hit that subscribe button right now and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. We're all about making complex things simple, and today we're diving into a topic that could completely change your financial game. All right, let's dive straight into it. So, how do you turn a simple automation into a sellable digital product? Let's start with the big picture. The magic of AI automations is this. They solve real problems automatically. Things like sending email follow-ups, delivering lead magnets, collecting testimonials, or onboarding clients. And the best part? You don't need to build something revolutionary. You just need to solve a boring problem really well. Let me give you an example. A creator selling a Google review booster automation for small businesses. When a customer fills out a quick form, it automatically sends them a thank you email, plus a direct link to leave a 5-star review on Google. That's it. Sounds simple, right? But that automation solves a huge pain point for local businesses, getting more online reviews. And the creator sells it for $27 on Gumroad, over and over again. Now imagine building 3 or 4 automations like that. Suddenly, you've got a full product line bringing in recurring income without trading hours for dollars. Let's walk through how you can do the same. Step 1. Find a problem that people will happily pay to make disappear. Before you build anything, you need to solve a real problem, one that shows up over and over again in the digital world. Not something fancy, not something trendy, just a pain point people would gladly outsource. The best problems are the ones that are boring, repetitive, and time-consuming. Think about tasks like sending appointment reminders, collecting testimonials, delivering digital freebies, following up with abandoned carts, or even repurposing content across platforms. Like, these are the kind of tasks that drain mental energy and time, and small business owners, solopreneurs, coaches, creators, they're tired of doing them manually. Here's a trick to find those goldmine ideas. Spend 30 minutes browsing Facebook groups, Reddit threads, or even YouTube comments in your niche. Pay close attention to the kinds of comments people leave. Things like, I wish there was an easier way to do this, or I keep forgetting to send these, or even this takes way too long, and I hate doing this every time. When you see phrases like that, it's a clear signal. People are frustrated. And that frustration, that's exactly where your opportunity lives. Those comments are like flashing neon signs telling you, automate me. And here's the thing, you don't need a new idea. You just need a relevant one. Start with one that's close to your own experience. Are you in the creator economy? Help other creators. Are you a service provider? Automate tasks you hate doing for clients. Find one solid problem people are sick of dealing with, and you're halfway there. Step 2. Build a simple but effective solution using Make.com and ChatGPT. Once you know what problem you're solving, it's time to create the actual system, your automation. And no, you don't need to be a coder. All you need is Make.com, a bit of logic, and a free ChatGPT account. Let's walk through an example. Say you want to automate the delivery of a lead magnet, a checklist, a guide, or a free template. Instead of manually sending an email every time someone fills out a form, you set up a system that handles it all for you. You can start with a free form using Tally or Typeform. When someone submits that form, Make.com triggers an action that sends a personalized email through Gmail, MailerSend, or even ConvertKit. Inside that email, they get a thank you message and a link to the resource they asked for. You can even go a step further. Include their name in the subject line, send a follow-up reminder 2 days later, and track who downloaded the file. Want to spice it up? Use ChatGPT to generate custom responses, or auto-create a checklist based on the form answers. The point is, your automation doesn't have to be massive. It just needs to work well and save time. clean, simple, repeatable. And once it's done, you now have a product you can sell over and over again. Step 3. Package your automation like a digital asset. This is where most people stop. They build the automation, but they forget to make it feel like a product. You're not just selling access to a workflow, you're giving people a shortcut to a result. So make it feel valuable. Start by creating a step-by-step setup guide. This could be a Google Doc or Notion page exported as a polished PDF. Include clear screenshots showing where to click, how to connect the tools, and what to customize. Then, add your makechate.com scenario link, ideally with notes or comments inside to make it beginner-friendly. If your automation requires form tools like Tally or Typeform, include sample templates. Want to take it even further? Offer bonus assets like email swipe files, thank you page templates, or content blocks they can copy-paste. And here's something that makes a big difference. Write a short paragraph that explains exactly what this automation does, who it's for, and the result they can expect after installing it. When buyers know what they're getting, they feel more confident hitting buy now. Once you've bundled everything, zip the files or upload them to a Notion hub, and that becomes your deliverable. That's what turns a simple automation into a professional digital product. Step 4. Set up your Gumroad listing. Now it's time to put your product on the shelf. Gumroad makes this ridiculously simple. Upload your zip file or Notion link. Then, give your product a title that screams benefit. Instead of calling it Automation for Lead Delivery, name it something like Lead Magnet Delivery System for Coaches. Next, write a clear, no-fluff description. Explain what problem this solves, who it's for, and how fast they can start using it. You don't need to oversell it. Just be real and direct. Want to boost your conversions? Add a few screenshots showing the automation in action. A visual walkthrough helps people trust that this is plug and play. And if you really want to stand out, include a 1-minute demo video. Record your screen, show how the automation works, and end with a simple message like, you get this exact system when you buy. Now let's talk pricing. If it's a single-use automation, keep it simple. Start between $9 and $29. If you're bundling 2 or 3 automations, you can easily go up to $49 or even $99. And don't overthink pricing. Remember, you're saving people time, energy, and frustration. That's worth way more than a few bucks. You're not just selling software, you're selling peace of mind. Step 5, get traffic to your product. This is where the money actually starts flowing in. And no, you don't need a massive audience. Start with short form content. Record quick videos showing what your automation does. You can film your screen, add voiceover, or just use captions and music. Here's an example. Want to deliver your freebie instantly after someone fills out a form? This automation handles it for you automatically. Then show the make.com flow in action. That's it. Post these on Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and even Pinterest idea pins. Keep it short, clear, and benefit-driven. Next, share your Gumroad link in your bio or description. No need to pitch hard, just show what it does and let the automation sell itself. You can also post in Facebook groups or subreddits. Just make sure you're following the community rules and offering value, not just dropping links. Ready to scale? Collaborate with micro-influencers in your niche. Give them free access to your product and ask if they'd share it with their audience. And Gumroad has an affiliate system built in. So if you want others to promote for you, you can easily give them a cut. The key here is consistency. The more people see your product in action, the more sales you'll make. Now, if you're still watching, I've got something that will make this even easier. I put together a step-by-step guide that walks you through the entire process. From picking your idea to packaging your first automation and making your first sale. Inside, you'll find everything you need to get started. There's a complete checklist to guide you through each step, a naming framework to help you brand your automation products with confidence, and 3 ready-to-use templates you can customize and start selling right away. You'll find it in the first pinned comment below. And hey, if this video sparked an idea, drop it in the comments. What kind of automation would you build first? Something for lead magnets, testimonials, booking reminders, or something totally unique? Let me know. I read every single one. If you got value from this video, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and tap the bell so you don't miss what's coming next. Thanks for hanging out until the end. And as always, let's build smarter and start profiting digitally. See you in the next one.